For all red-blooded gearheads who love their RPMs high and their barbecue smoking. Welcome to Barbecue and Bolts, where we dig into cars of all kinds, from beaters to burners. And then trade the grease in our nails for barbecue sauce, beer, and good friends. Hang on, cause you're riding shotgun with Barbecue and Bolts.
Those damn hicks! What are they doing? Welcome to Barbecue and Bolts, episode 10. It's middle of summer, it's July 6th. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July. Today I'm going to take you through all three of my cars, which have a total value of $5,600. So here we go. First off is my 2000 Ford Excursion Triton V10 limited edition. All leather interior. I bought it from my buddy Kurt, and he just put like $6,000 into it, redoing the whole underneath side, all the oils, all the seals, everything. So it has 135,000 miles on it. It's unbelievable. It's such a deal, and it's the greatest cruiser in the world. So I'm really excited about the Ford Excursion. This is my third Ford Excursion that I've had. Come on in, take a look at this thing. There's my phone charger. I've been looking for this. So let's take a look at the Ford Excursion V10. So these are the engines that they put in the motorhomes too. So it's plenty of engine for this. This is only 7,200 pounds. Only 7,200 pounds. But these things are just bulletproof. The Triton V10s go forever. Of course I want the diesel. Who doesn't want the diesel? But we're gonna drop a diesel in it later on, as soon as I have a whole bunch of money, which I don't have now. Well, let's go to the Element. So here's the Honda Element. We deem it the Honda Smelement. I got it for $300. The previous owner just drove it into the ground, and you might have seen my previous videos. I fixed it all up, and it's my wife's daily driver now. Works perfect. Even all the oil leaks are fixed. You know, the main thing that happened to the oil leaks was the VTEC solenoid and the oil pressure sending unit, and they're right next to each other. Replace both of those, all the oil leaks are gone. So we've been doing the beach with this thing, both the kids spinning back. For all you ladies out there, I know you really want to look at my engine. So I have this totally cleaned up. It was dirty as all hell. So now it looks like a brand new engine. Doing good. This thing has 202,000 miles on it. I think it'll go another 200,000 miles easy. So we're just gonna keep this pretty much stock for my wife. My last project, I have a 99 Subaru Outback, which is right here. What happened is the belt flew off, the timing belt flew off, and the guy was just going about 30, and he's like, well, it just kind of went. So the guy took it to his mechanic, and the mechanic tore the front end part of the engine off, and he's like, well, I think you have some bent valves probably, and I have to tear out the engine, and it's gonna cost you this much. And the guy paid like $2,500 for the car, just a couple months earlier actually. He thought it was too much, so he just offloaded it for like $275 to me. So I'm gonna tear the engine out, put some used heads on there, and then jack this thing up and race it in the Gambler 500 Oregon. Yeah. Now I did clean this up really nice, but it's been sitting out here since April, and it's July now. So it's looking a little bit worse for wear. But the insides, I cleaned up the insides. I still gotta shampoo the insides. The insides aren't bad, just smells like a big cigarette butt in here, that's all. Guy was a chain smoker. And here's the back. For those of you that have never seen a station wagon before. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to Dirtfish Summerfest, which for those of you that know what Dirtfish is, that's gonna be where all the rally cars are. It's a total car show, so I'm gonna ask a bunch of the guys who have souped up their cars what they did to their cars like this. This has the closed deck engine on it. So I could turbo the shit out of this thing and probably go really fast, but we're just gonna see how much. We gotta do it on the cheap, because we're gonna try to do the Gambler 500 in it. And that's thanks to Jeff, my other partner in Barbecue and Bolts, my brother-in-law. He's like, let's do the Gambler 500 in that thing. So gotta lift it up, gotta fix it up in the next year, because I think the Gambler 500 is in 2 weeks for 2018. So we're gonna try for 2019. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed my projects and my cars that do run. But I'm pretty excited. I'm going to jump on this one now. I'm going to get it going. So you'll see it in upcoming episodes of Barbecue and Bolts. Hope you had a great 4th of July, everybody, and we'll see you next time.